Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a fascinator headpiece, or you can call it a hat. Okay, so I have my felt that will serve as my base, and then I have this net. It's a special kind of net, but it's not your regular face net. So the measurement is 14 inches by 19 inches. Feel free to use something smaller or bigger, whichever one you want. Okay. So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. As you can see, I'm trying to nudge the center of my net material. So just watch how I'm doing this right now. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIYs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I hope your notification bell is turned on. Okay. So as you can see, I'm trying to stitch the center of this piece after folding it this way. So you have to stitch and make sure it is very firm. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So the next thing is just to cover up the Alice band, the part I stitched on my Alice band. So you can twerk this the way you want. You can break it down this way or leave it up straight. Okay. Thank you for watching.